kama ewo eho yenkwaso na yenjira court wa na ye fake doctor dia na ye kwakopiem ewo Supreme Court kwa asetena ene asema na ededwa so nyina Akwatia constituency epoye mantem owura NS Akumi na ne nsema da woni se papa beye yi a anka wobi obechi ni bia wonfa ne nkoma apoisifo nsa so ne mu pa ne Kofodua High Court ne de na ko sanse na contempt eda ne ti so ema court ne kwa anim issue bench warrant eno ena ne lawyer Gary ni makoma fu di mirikantente ebe PM ewo Supreme Court ese Supreme Court ne se Kofodua temu afo a wote na adwane so ne nsem kaye ne su ene ne ban a wode di ne nyina ede na di perfect chese ompe ononyanfo NS Akumi asem kra sanse wantie na asem mpo eno se wasite ne contempt enam sa yeso ema Supreme Court ka se da bi Kofodua High Court sa contempt application any bench warrant na wa issue no ya som twetwe nyabotere kosi se asem no ye beka awie eno enenam so ma ononyanfo NS Akumi na wotimi kwamra hye bedwafie mu nkakran sa enye sa de a wenen ka by this time na wo bie mu dededa Nene ena Supreme Court ahye se wode na temu nyina beba ena ebre Supreme Court kwa asetan Supreme Court se sa injunction application bench warrant no ene contempt ni nyina wabo e de ato agu baabi eninti enkonkope ni baabi enyina na asem na nkasa ye di e wo Kofodua High Court ne de wamu nkoso na wumuni ewo ho na eno na lawyer ni a wogina mu edi ema NS Akumi ye ne di nkomo enchiemu sei eno de ba efa nsam a esi ye ewo court ne ho ene dey ononyanfo NS Akumi ene na lawyer for ena uhuwom ewo court na enye asem ketwakra ewo ho na lawyer ni onu begina mu edema NDC parliamentary candidate wono ene de sansem nyina ekopiem ewo court eka chensem twofo se wono de kwa edu fufuro bi wo ho a womo akobo CID headquarters amane ese wasre pa womo nya hwehwemu mapa emfanfa nsem esanse wosusu se their friend perjury say wabetwa ntro wabedi akohwie e de ache court no ebiesi sanse gazette enkrata no womutusu se ne ononyanfo NS Akumi e de ba court no wose womu hu ba bia okofa edifi ya etiamra enti so timi ebetwa ntro ana se otimi bedi akohwie pa e de che Supreme Court dia na enkoye kra wose eno so enche omu eye hwehwemu mapa na saposifo nya ye omu hwehwemu wie dia ne esebia no ye bete ho asem ewo court yentie nsem a wadi tuja
the last date that we had made a case against with regards to the perjury and then the forgery, and that has a link with the Gazette, which has now been pronounced upon by the Supreme Court. And so we will pursue that matter. As I speak to you, the matter is with the CID. We are aware that they want to take the caution statement of the Member of Parliament, NS Akumi. The duplicate copy has been sent to the Attorney General's Department. We await the advice from the Attorney General's Department. That matter, as I have always said, is distinct and separate from this. Because if you submit a Gazette notification which is forged, which is fake, it is a purely criminal matter which will be pursued. So I can assure you that it's not over. In fact, that is even a more serious matter. And now that the Supreme Court some way, somehow has said that there was a valid Gazette that has to do with ours, it puts into question what they submitted. And so this ruling would assist the criminal case we are doing at with the Attorney General and then the Ghana Police and the CID. And so we will pursue it from here. And then they may have to explain where they got the Gazette notification now that the Supreme Court has declared what they had or they filed as void or as fraud, or let me put it as not original at this point. We will pursue where they got that from, because if you submit a document to the Supreme Court and the High Court, which document is not valid, it puts into question what the intention is. And so there is that issue or that suspected crime of forgery and perjury.
And LTA a lawyer near our Nujinamu Edema Penia or Nujinamu NDC Edimu Ewa Akwatia Mashebe Jefimo no na this answer menina equipm ewa court. Na nuachi and Angel Cassia any ora NS Akumi ne lawyer and Sudin Komo Efa and Semno. And Chemuse and ono so edibai.
The petition itself. On that, the court said that the judge, the Learned Trial High Court judge in Koforidua, can no longer sit on that matter because his conduct has shown that he should not be allowed to continue sitting on the matter. So even though we may go back to Koforidua, but he won't be the judge to sit on the substantive matter.
Thank you.
But our main contention at the Supreme Court was that the contempt, its hearing, it's the conviction subsequent to the contempt, the sentencing. If you remember, there were even attempts to have an Yakumi arrested, Honorable MP. All has been quashed by the Supreme Court. So as we speak right now, Honorable Ernest Yakumi remains the MP of the good people of Akwatia. The conviction, the bench warrant, if you would remember, there was a bench warrant issued by the High Court of Koforidua. It has been quashed as well.
No, I'm referring to the
bench warrant was stayed by the Supreme Court to abide the ruling today. So as at now, per the ruling of the Supreme Court today, no bench warrant exists. So everything has been quashed. He's a free man and he will continue his good work as an MP.
Any out say a lawyer ni ba kwa wojina mu edema onunyamfo NSC Yakumi nensem eno no